Hey, right here I have the 3-pack of these pullover crew neck sweatshirts that are absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna tell you why. Hey guys, my name is TJ and I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I chose to get the size medium in these sweatshirts and I think that it does fit true to size, feels really good quality fabric. This is gonna be made of 100% polyester. That's gonna give you a nice feel on your skin, and this is also going to be able to wick away any sweat that you would have. So this is definitely fast drying. It doesn't get wet or you are sweating, so it's going to be really comfortable to wear. If you're sitting in a chair for a long period of time, traveling on a plane, or you're doing any kind of weightlifting in the gym, you're going to be sweating. This is going to be a good shirt for an activity, and it's just really comfortable. I think the length comes down to a perfect size on me, and we're going to have an elastic on the bottom, and then we're also going to get that on the sleeves as well. So it's going to be really form-fitting, not gonna fly over your wrists, and we're also gonna get that up here. And when you do stretch this, it doesn't get all wrinkly and worn out. It goes right back because it's just a really quality fabric. And I like the neck opening is just kind of tight. It's not anything that's super loose and hanging down. It just looks really crisp and nice. I love how these come in a 3-pack as well. I ended up getting the white, the gray, and this really nice black. It looks sleek and really modern. I like wearing these with sweatpants or jeans. You can kind of just dress up or down with these and you're just gonna feel really nice and comfortable. It does keep you pretty warm too, so if you're going on a brisk, chilly day, this really is gonna keep you warm in the cold, windy weather. This fabric has a little bit of a stretch to it, so it is gonna feel good and give you that nice mobility that you're looking for. And with this fabric being really high quality, it's also shrink resistant. So with this polyester material, if you throw it in the wash and then the dryer, it's gonna maintain its shape really well. And then these are also wrinkle resistant, so you know that's something that I definitely love. Overall, this is just a really nice minimalist design. It's gonna accommodate a bunch of different body types. It has like a nice, loose, comfortable fit, so you can just lounge around in the house, or you can go out, run some errands, go to the gym, wear this to a date night. There's so many different occasions you can wear this for. It's just an all-around great sweatshirt to have in your wardrobe. I highly recommend these. Check out all the other color options that they have to offer. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.